Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you guys how to render in best settings and with low size. So with that being said, let's get started. First thing you're gonna do is you're gonna select your video part of the clip, right click on it, and you're gonna go to properties. Now make sure it is on disable resample. Now once you are there, press OK. Now click on this little gear button and you can see template. Now click on this arrow and you can see HDV 720 30 fps. Press on that and I'm gonna select frame rate to be 60 because I want it to be 60. Now it's upon you if you want to make it to 30 like here. So I'm gonna make it to 60 because I want to make it 60. Full resolution render quality. Now make sure it is on good. Motion blur type, it is on Gaussian. This deinterlace method, be sure it is on none. And resample mode, be sure it is on disable resample, because if the resample is on, it's gonna automatically lower or fluctuate the frame rate of the video. So now I'm gonna press apply. And if you want to save the template, you can just change the name to whatever you want to, as I'm doing here. So I'm gonna press start all new project with these settings. Now if you don't want your projects to start with these settings only, you can just uncheck this button if you want to. Now press apply. Okay, now go to file, render as, and you're gonna click on Magix AVC /AAC MP4. Go down, select as you can see it's already a preset here, so you're gonna select the 720p 29.97. now press customize template. Now go to template and be sure the profile is main and the frame rate is 60. Now if you want to render in 30 fps, as I said before, you can make it to 30. Now I want to render in 60 fps, and so that's why I am making to 60 bitrate. Now make sure it is on 4 million to 6 million, because if it is like 2 million or 3 million, your video gonna have like pixelated renders, and you don't want to have it if actually it sucks. So now I'm gonna go to audio. Just make sure it is like the same. Now I'm gonna go to project. Now in video rendering quality, make sure it is on best. Now you can just change the preset settings to like whatever you want to, as I just saved it before, so I'm not gonna do this again. Okay, as you can see, the render is done. So as you can see, it's here. I'm gonna double click over it, and let's see what the quality is. Now you can see the quality is good and pixels aren't clucking or something like that, and it just works quite well. Now the size of it is not that much, it's right just like 10 megabytes, and that's okay for a 10-second video. So thank you guys for watching. Keep watching my videos just like this, and be sure to subscribe to the channel if you like this video and tap the bell icon on. Till then, bye bye and peace out.